right up on my phone, but I don't answer. Cause the second I do, I know that my heart is in danger. Oh, this anxiety is killing me. Oh, when you're with me, lose part of me. I still roll the dice, take another slice. But when it comes to you and I, we sugar crashing. Too many lows between the highs. When I'm laughing, it's only cause I'm about to cry. Yeah, I wish I could love myself and love you too. Yeah, I wish I could have my cake and eat it too.
Hi guys! Welcome to Hacienda. Come in.
Oh, sige go.
As you come in, this is the Treehouse that will welcome you. They have a mini dining table. And then as you can see,
Perfect!
the view of my hacienda is there. Yeah. And then here is the mini kitchen or the lavatory.
Featuring our talong. Freshly
Here is
harvested talong.
lavatory. And look at the view while you're dishwashing, drinking water, and all. If you want to make suka, if you're really hangover. This is the CR, by the way. Oh, very nice and very farmable.
Nalingaw ko sa farmable.
Here guys, here's the big mirror, body mirror. And then come back here. And then there's a wide space for langit lupa, makulob mahayang. And the paintings. Actually, this is the painting of Red Velvet. I don't know the painter is. And there's a painting area. And there's a playing area here. There's suka, there's cards, and there are jengas and whatsoever. And another place for hangout. Here, look at the view.
Yeah, I got a playlist that makes us sound so romantic. Pretend that it's sweet so I'm not tasting all the tragic. Oh, this anxiety is killing me. Oh, so full of nervous energy. I still roll the dice, take another slice. But when it comes to you and I,
This is good if you're moving on from your past relationship.
Oh, dahil mo ambak ka
Your toxic
dito.
relationship. If you wanna jump, go jump.
Where's the bedroom area?
And then here, there's a big space for everything. Just be careful because this is hazardous.
Nice.
The rooms are upstairs, so just be careful with the stairs because the safety is being compromised. And careful with the tree and the cold and come here. Upstairs, there are 2 rooms. So the first room is here. This is the first room, good for magjowa, boyfriend, girlfriends. And then you're just gonna flip it. And then you're gonna make your own bed. Next room is here for the no jowa place. Come on in. Sorry for the mess because we're already here and there's a big duyan. And ta-da! The view is very nice and good for the eyes.